Greetings. Today, I have a really important topic for you. How to protect your funds in the highly volatile crypto market while earning an incredible passive income. Recently, I came across one of the most profitable staking platforms, SUI, with an amazing 164% APR. This literally saved me from major losses and helped me earn a substantial amount. Today, I'm going to share my experience with you and show you how you can start earning right now. Remember, money should work for you, not just sit idle. For your convenience, I've left a link to the SUI staking platform in the description and the pinned comment. Let's go to the website and see how it works. Enter the number of tokens you want to stake. The platform provides a built-in calculator that immediately shows your potential earnings. Entered the amount? Great. Now click the Connect Wallet and Stake button. Connect your wallet. This is a standard process that only takes a few seconds. A confirmation contract will appear. This is completely safe and required to start staking. If you don't have enough SUI tokens, the platform will automatically offer to exchange other tokens for SUI. If that doesn't work for you, simply cancel the contract and come back with the required SUI tokens. That's it. Your tokens are now staked and generating huge passive income. Simple and effective. The best part? You can withdraw your tokens anytime. I kept mine in staking for a month, and here's the result. All proof is right in front of you. If you're interested, follow the link, give it a try, and let me know in the comments what you think about this passive income strategy. Money should work for you, not sit idle. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like if you found it useful, and see you next time.